Meaning of duke.
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 Duke. The word duke refers to a title of nobility, typically ranking just below the monarch, and is usually granted to a member of a royal or noble family. The term originated in medieval France and has since been used throughout Europe and other parts of the world. Dukes have traditionally held significant political and social power, and in some cases, have served as military leaders. Today, while many dukes still exist, their roles are largely ceremonial and symbolic, with few actual governing responsibilities.